There's an app that could potentially replace Photoshop. The best part, it's 100% free to use. No, I'm not talking about Canva or Photopea. This app is even better than those. Stay tuned till the end of the video as we put it to the ultimate test against Photoshop. You might be thinking, this is outrageous. What can possibly replace Photoshop? If you have access to Photoshop, this isn't aimed at you. However, for many people, the most common issue with Photoshop is the hefty cost, $19.99 USD per month for a single application or $59.99 USD for all Creative Cloud applications. Additionally, for high school or college students, it might be free, but the system requirements can be limiting, such as not being compatible with Chromebooks. If you face any of the issues mentioned earlier, Pixlr is your #1 alternative, a potential Photoshop killer. It offers layers, a full adjustment panel, similar tools, and masking options. While it may not be as robust as Photoshop, Pixlr performs remarkably well even on low-end devices like Chromebooks. This accessible software is far superior to alternatives like Photopea due to the fact Pixlr can support much larger files and has superior optimization, even for very low-end devices. If you're currently using Photoshop, consider giving Pixlr a try. It may fulfill all your needs, allowing you to ditch the expensive Photoshop subscription. The layout might take a little getting used to, but the tools and keyboard shortcuts work similarly. It's essential to mention that if you're a professional with advanced editing requirements, Pixlr may not serve your needs. In a head-to-head match in editing capabilities, Photoshop will win every time. Photoshop offers extra tools, the latest features, and more advanced options like exporting files in various color spaces, such as CMYK. Furthermore, Pixlr lacks certain features like neural filters and the generative fill AI found in the latest Photoshop version. However, for non-professionals who can't or don't want to pay for Photoshop and lack the necessary hardware, Pixlr is a fantastic alternative. When it comes to background removal, Photoshop excels. Pixlr does a decent job but falls short in complex backgrounds, especially when compared to Photoshop's precision in selecting hair details. For simple backgrounds, Pixlr performs exceptionally well and can rival Photoshop. Regarding photo restoration, Photoshop's AI capabilities make the process quick and efficient, while Pixlr takes longer due to the absence of AI options. Pixlr is an outstanding free photo editing software. It offers most of what Adobe Photoshop has, but it may not always deliver the highest quality results, and it has limited export options. However, its free version providing features similar to Photoshop makes it an excellent choice, particularly for those getting into graphic design. This is especially true for users with lower-end hardware or devices like Chromebooks or smartphones. While Pixlr isn't necessarily better or more feature-rich than Photoshop, it's a much better alternative for many people out there. If you'd like to see more of Pixlr, including other software offerings and tutorials from this company, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews.